Hey, good morning. This is Roger. I had to get this video out. Just came on the market. 4 model homes from Lennar Treetops, which is Lancaster, South Carolina, just south of Charlotte, just south of Ballantyne, right next door to Sun City, Carolina Lakes. If you've ever visited, you've been in this sales center, and there are model homes off to the right of it. And that putting green is in that park, which is right across the street. This is a phenomenal opportunity. Number one, if you're maybe a year out from wanting to move here. Number two, oh, have you seen this? This sidewalk, 1.3 miles, goes all the way around this gorgeous 10-acre lake. It's looking like this right now in the fall. It's gorgeous. So here's what I'm going to tell you. There are 4 model homes, the Dover, the Cambridge, the Bliss, and the Fairlane, that are for sale with a lease back. Lennar wants you to buy these homes, and then they want to lease them back. I've got numbers for you right now. The Dover, man, this is a classic plan. They have sold hundreds off of this model. And if you're an investor, or you want to buy and hold it, or you want to move in 8 to 12 months, you pay, it's listed for under $415,000, and they want to pay you $2,200 a month lease for the next 8 to 12 months. I'm moving fast, guys, because I'm headed down to Treetops this morning. I've got a walkthrough for a Cambridge, which is this plan. Helped some people the other day buy a Cambridge, and I'm going down there for a meeting relative to that one. But this model of the Cambridge, this is the one my people went in that just closed in imagery on Mountain Island Lake. This is the one my people just walked through the other day and bought a spec. This model is for sale. Woods in the back, priced under $390K, and they'll lease it back from you for 8 to 12 months for $2,200. The Cambridge, fabulous plan. Another great plan is the Bliss. Now, again, I have emotional attachment to a lot of these houses. I love the Bliss. For sale now under $365. $365, less than that. They will lease it back from you for $1,900 a month. You move in a year or so, perfect timing for you. Give me a call, 704-345-3400. And the last one that's for sale for a lease back is the Fairlane, not to be confused with the Fairview. The Fairview model, right down the road here, a couple of doors, is for sale. I go through my Treetops playlist coming up on the screen here in a moment, and go see the Fairview. You can move into that one in 30, 45 days. This Fairlane is available for a lease back. They want under $330K for it. It's priced under $330,000, and they'll lease it back from you for $1,800 a month, $1,800. So those are 4 models at Lennar Treetops available for a lease back for 8 to 12 months. I'd love to be your buyer's agent. Love to help you negotiate that transaction and help you. Maybe you're an investor, you want to buy all 4. I can help you with that. Let's do this, folks. 704-345-3400. Go to rogerholloway.com. That's this site. And peruse. Go to the YouTube search bar. Again, click through and see my YouTube channel. I can't wait to help you. I know it sounds like I'm in a hurry. You know why? Because I'm in a hurry. I'll see you in the next video.